Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to remove older posts from Instagram. Firstly, open the settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now, click on the Instagram. Here, click on the permissions option and allow all the permissions. And after that, go back to the home page. Open the Play Store app. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search option and search for Instagram and update it. Now, open the Instagram app and if you are seeing the suggested section at the end, don't worry, it's just Instagram reminding you that you haven't checked your followers' latest post yet. Just click on the older post option and check out your followers' latest post, and this will disappear automatically. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.